Hello, hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper of Thursday. Yes, it's Thursday, May the 6th, 2021. We have two puzzles left. Tectonic with 4 stars and a binary puzzle number 1. All right, and this binary puzzle will be number 2751. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 a binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here and O, there and O. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Double one, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Double one, here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes an O, double O, here 1, there 1. Between two ones comes an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Okay, double one, here no, there no, 4 O's we have in this row, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Then, double one, here no, there no. Yeah. Still thinking. 3. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allow one of the rules. So this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Alright. Between two O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Alright. Between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 3, 4. Well, I think I need to compare because it's taking too long. This column and that column. 001100 empty box 1100 empty box 11. So we need to switch those 2 digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have a O there, this should be a 1. Alright. And now, yeah. Compare again. Unbelievable. Yes. How about this column and that column? 110011 empty box 0011 empty box 00. So we need to switch these 2 digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Alright. 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double one here, no, there, no. Then. Unbelievable. Yeah. I think I need to compare again. Do we have O10 here? O10. Here, O10. O10, O10. Do we have a 101? 101. Ay, 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 ay. This second column and the fourth column, I believe. Yeah. So we have here an 001100 empty box 001111. So we need to switch those two digits. We have an O here, this should be a 1. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. Oh, right. Between two ones comes an O. Between two O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double O here, one there, one. Okay. And now, 1, 2, 3. Compare again. No kidding. Again. Do we have a double 1 here? No. 101 here. Here. So I cannot compare the columns. Double 1 here. 001. This row and that row. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 1. So the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 O's. So the rest are 1's. Completed in 7 minutes. A lot of comparing. I like this one. Yes, boys and girls, a lot of comparing. And yeah, you need to look for those digits, the O's and the 1's. If you enjoyed this video, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon in a minute with the last puzzle, a tectonic with 4 stars. So prepare for this one. Bye bye for now.